there, future engineers. My name's Jordan and I'm an aerospace engineer at Auburn University. Today we are going to be building an art-making contraption. Before we can get creating, let's gather all of our supplies. We need duct tape, cardboard, colored pens or sharpened colored pencils, scissors, a small circular stencil, a thick rubber band, and blank paper. Draw a circular shape on the cardboard using a round shape as a stencil, but make sure that your shape is only half the size or smaller than your tape roll. I'm going to use the small sauce cup as a stencil. Cut out your circle using scissors. Carefully punch a hole in your cardboard using the scissors points. You could also use a hole punch if you have one, just like this. Don't be afraid to ask your adult for help on this step. We found out it works best if your hole is halfway between the middle and the edge of the circle. Do not put your hole in the middle of the circle, and do not point the scissors towards yourself or your fingers at any time. Set your cardboard on a hard surface and firmly push the scissors through. Make 1 or 2 more holes in different places on the cardboard, and by the time your holes are finished, they should be big enough for a pen tip to fit through. Wrap your rubber band around the outside of your cardboard disc. This will create friction between the inside of the tape and the moving disc, and that will help us make super cool art. Set your disc on the inside edge of the tape roll and choose a hole and position to start with. Put your pen in and start rolling the disc carefully around the inside of the tape. Make sure to hold the tape roll completely still. You should see your spirograph start to form. Be sure to try out different placements of the holes in different colors to create new designs. Also, check out the card template in the video description, in your email, and on our website. You can print out the template, add your engineering art, and give it to your favorite teacher for Teacher Appreciation Week. Today we made a spirograph. The spirograph was originally invented by an engineer who worked on cameras. The first model was made using gears and string. Even though you might not think so, lots of engineering goes into making art, like paintings, music, and sculptures. Auburn engineers had a chance to go all the way to Italy to learn about how engineering and art go together. Check out the link in the description to learn more about Auburn engineering and the arts. Thanks for getting creative with me today, future engineers. Until next time, War Eagle.